to get this working now. So let's try this again. All right, let me know again if you can't hear it or you can't see it. All right, let's start this again.
My name is Katie Gales, and I'm the Director of Entrepreneurship Initiatives at Wake Tech.
Hi, I'm Cherith Robertson. I'm the Director of the Wake Tech Small Business Center, and we live at the Startup Center at Wake Tech.
And the mission of the Startup Center is to help people in Wake County start and grow small businesses. For people who want a more intensive business planning experience that also ties them to their community, we have an umbrella program called Launch Wake County. We're currently active in 8 towns. Those towns are Apex, Cary, Garner, Holly Springs, Knightdale, Raleigh, Roseville, and Wake Forest.
We're part of the Small Business Center Network of North Carolina, which means that every single community college in North Carolina has a small business center.
There are 4 major parts to the Launch Wake County program. First, there's 10 weeks of training, 6 months of mentoring, networking and community building, and assistance finding some capital.
We're funded by your tax dollars, and we are here to help people start and grow their businesses.
We also offer a program that's aimed at students called Launch Wake Tech, where we bring entrepreneurs into the classroom and we bring our students out to be a part of the entrepreneurial ecosystem in Wake County. We're always looking for entrepreneurs and business professionals who'd like to speak to our students and mentor our student entrepreneurs.
We provide free, confidential, one-on-one business counseling for people in all stages of their business, whether they're in idea phase or they've been in business for a long time and they're trying to change something about their business, whether it's increase revenue, reach new customers, or create a new marketing campaign.
In the launch programs, our students get to build camaraderie with other businesses who are on the same path that they are. They also get to learn from experienced entrepreneurs and business professionals, not just theory, but real life information about what it means to start and grow a business. They get deeply connected into their communities because we are partnering with the towns, the chambers of commerce, Rotary clubs, business alliances in their towns. So everything in the launch program actually happens in the towns where the people live and where they're growing their businesses.
We have seasoned counselors who work with small business owners at their pace and meet with them as many times as it is convenient for them. And that is free. That service is free and can be requested right at our website. The other thing that we do is we offer free workshops, webinars, and seminars to help people cover the basics of what they need for starting or growing their business.
We now have over 400 graduates in the launch program, and we anticipate adding between 160 and 240 people a year. So it's a growing community, vibrant community where these business professionals are helping each other to grow successful businesses.
We have workshops like how to start a business, how to write a business plan, the basics of social media marketing, and then sometimes we jump into a little bit more depth with things like Facebook marketing or the basics of bookkeeping. Again, those workshops are free and can also be found right on our website at startup.waketech.edu.
If you're interested in being a part of the community as either a participant or as a mentor or sponsor, go to startup.waketech.edu and you'll get more information.
So if you have friends or family in North Carolina, but they're not in Wake County, they can go to their local community college small business center and get the same services that you can get here in Wake County. So go to your local community college small business center and they'll be able to help you. We would love to help you start and grow your business at the Startup Center at Wake Tech. So come see us, startup.waketech.edu.
Hello, I'm trying to get back to the full screen here, and it is not allowing me. All right. Okay. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. There's a lot of information there, but also a lot of information that you all can gain if you were to actually just contact Small Business Center. They are not only take care of small business owners, but also the entrepreneurship initiatives that we have going on. Another one that they've talked about, and I don't know if they talked about it in this one, I didn't hear, but they have a new initiative that's going on right now, and it's for our students. So if you're in business or you're close to being in business, you should also look at the upcoming accelerator and pitch competition that they have for students. It's a 5-week training course that includes the opportunity to pitch for up to $8,000 for your student-owned business. And I can put some of these links in the chat room for you so that you will be able to have those after this meeting. But I'm going to open it up right now for anyone who has any questions.
All right. Nobody asked any questions yet, but Joel is typing. So I think
Okay,
he's
all
coming.
right.
I want to just comment. Pitch requirements. That's what he wants to know. What are the pitch requirements?
For any of them or just for a particular one? Joel?
He's typing.
He's still typing. Okay.
Yeah.
And while we
The one mentioned in the end, I think the one that the latest one that's for
that
the
Tara
students.
mentioned or that I mentioned. Okay. So the one that she talked about, the Launch Wake County, I believe that was it. The Launch Wake County where you have it in different cities. So that is a 10-week program. And what you have to do for that particular program is you need to apply. You need to apply to the program. And once you get into that program, they will actually provide opportunities for you to have a mentor. You will go through 10-week training. They will actually help you with finding resources for your funding. For others, in terms of pitch ideas, pitch contest, we have different things like one of the areas I was going to mention on the Women's Business Owners Network, our WeBond project that we work with that particular group, is that the Business Administration Department collaborates with them. And it's an opportunity for students, in particular women, to be able to, if they have a business idea or just have a business, already have an existing business, to be able to pitch their business idea to members of Wake Tech and WeBond judges and compete for $1,000 scholarship. And we will work with you. We actually have pitch contest requirements and guidelines for you to follow. So you can enter that competition, and that's a great opportunity for students to be able to not only get $1,000 scholarship, but also a year membership to WeBond, which will help that student to be able to network with other women in business. It's a great opportunity for students. As you can see, we have the Wake Tech Contractors Academy and Business Administration Department. We also offer the Entrepreneurship Certificate. It's a 12-credit certificate that you can actually work on and gain credit hours for that, as well as your degree. And I know we're going pretty fast here because we only have like 15 minutes. So, but feel free to always be able to reach out to me. I'm going to go ahead and put my information in the chat. But is there anyone else that has any information?
Joel said thank you, and I wanted to. Did you say something about 5 weeks? Something that had a 5-week training?
Yeah, it's the new program that they have come up with, accelerated and pitch competition. And I believe this is the same program that we are in conjunction with Shaw University in St. Aug. Okay. And for our students, and it's a 5-week training course that includes the opportunity to pitch your business and actually, to gain up to at least $8,000 for your student-owned business. So I can actually put that information in the chat box as well. I have these links, and so I was going to put all these links in there for people to be able to, just go back and just, delve a little bit more into what was said and, and just have questions.
And I think you're doing a wonderful job. And I wanted to make sure that we're going to be able to take this video and package it with the other ones from today and make them all available for the students. So Perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I see Sonia is typing. Okay, she wants to chat about entrepreneurship. Okay, wonderful. And again, I will put links to the Small Business Center network because I tell you, so many people pay for this service and you don't have to